Okay, what do you want, Snoopy? There's something under your bed. Let me pull it out. We got the Super Cycle case. Here's what the front looks like. The sides. And the back. So, I had to clean my room because it was a disaster. Now, it's clean. Basically. Don't tell my dad, but actually, there's still some Lego pieces like here, and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's open this thing up. There's tape. I'm so sorry, but I know there's no music. Here's some music. Okay, I know you guys don't like when I sing it. So there we go. Now, let's see what's inside. Bag 2. There's a bag 1. Instruction book number 2. Instruction book number 1, bag 3, and another bag 1, and stickers. Okay, that was so unnecessary. So, where's the first page? That's not it. There we go. Okay, so it says open 2 bag 1s. Wait, we're supposed to make the Super Cycle on this one? Let me check. That's so weird. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. So, let's look for the bags. Hooray! I think I shut off. Okay. There's this problem I opened up. Oh shoot, there's other bags. Fire, the fire in the hole! This is not serve play a lot. I never seen that before. There's others. Here's a joke. When you do chopsticks, it's kind of like this karate man named Chop. They like the chopsticks. Get out of here. Okay, swing all this stuff up. Now let's make everybody. Damn it, how are you doing? You must have had surgery this year. Damn it. That's what Styro said. Well, or not. Styro. Okay. Amazing. It's head right. Yes, I've been liking this song Sparta. This is the word. This is Sparta. This song. This is Sparta. There it is. Oh wait, where we see something? Where you see something? Just there's the resistance. Touch. I wish I had that set.